Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be painting these watercolor autumn leaves. For these fall leaves, I used handmade cotton rag paper from an Etsy shop, Fringe and Rose. I used paints from Decadent Pie's pan set from Prima Marketing and paints from Poems About You on Etsy. All of these supplies I used are listed in the description for you with links. Before I began, I found some pretty leaves outside to paint. I then drew out an outline of the leaves onto the paper. Then I wet the entire leaf first, since we'll be using the wet on wet painting method. And I'm starting out with a rich dark red color from Poems About You. I am painting the edges of the leaf more opaque and then blending out the paint towards the middle of the leaf. While the leaf was still wet, I added some pink to the leaf. The pink I used is called Rose Madder and is from Poems About You. I then lightly drew out the center vein of the leaf with the Rose Madder color. I then mixed a dark red-brown color and painted in some dark spots of the leaf. And then I went back in with more of the Rose Madder color, and then I also tried to define the veins a little bit more and add more detail to the leaf. I let that layer dry completely, and then now I'm adding some more detail to the leaf, and I'm darkening the edges of the leaf to give it some more depth. And again, I'm using the Rose Madder color. I mixed a little bit of black into the pink and red color on my palette, and now I'm going around the edges of the leaf to darken some areas to make the leaf pop more and to add some final details. For the second leaf, I'm starting out the same way. I first drew out the leaf, wet the whole leaf with water, and then applied paint. Most of the colors I'll be using for this leaf are yellow, orange, brown, gold, and green. I let that layer completely dry, and then I mixed a dark brown red color, and now I'm painting parts of the edges of the leaf to make the leaf pop more and to add more depth. And then I blend out that color a little bit towards the center of the leaf. And now I am just adding some more color to the leaf because when watercolors dry, they aren't as vibrant as they are when they're wet. And so for the second layer, I want to add some more color to make the leaf more colorful and not so dull. So I'm adding various orange and yellows and even some gold colors and brown colors. And then I let that layer completely dry, and then I added some more color and some final details. Let me know in the comments if you've ever painted autumn leaves before, or if you plan to after watching this. And if you haven't already, please feel free to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.